Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a packing tape dispenser. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is an example of a packing tape dispenser. They can come in a few different shapes and sizes and colors, but they're all going to be very similar with regards to how to use them. So it's very easy. You have a handle right here that you use to hold the packing tape dispenser. You have the tape roll over here with the packing tape. It's already loaded up properly, okay, as you can see right here. The sticky side is facing down over here. I'm touching the sticky side right now, and the sticky side is facing out over here, as you can see right there. Okay, you have a little piece right here that can be used to hold it in, like to open it up so you can move or remove the packing tape, or hold it in place like that. You have a cutting blade over here that you can see. This is used to cut the packing tape. Yeah, that's basically, you have a little bit of extra thing here just in case you need it. Yeah, so you know what, my mom gave me this packing tape dispenser when we moved houses. Yeah, so I mean, I think she had used it at some point at her work, but I'm not exactly sure. Anyways, you also have usually a wheel over here that essentially, if you can make this tighter or looser. So right now, as you can see, it's very loose. But if I tighten this wheel up here, which has a spring on it, okay, if I tighten it up, you know, as much as I can tighten it, it's much tighter. It won't, it's locked, basically. It won't even move. Yeah, I can't even move this if I try. Yeah, it's hard to move. I can do it, but it's very hard to move. I'm gonna loosen it up. You want it generally to be quite loose, because if it's too tight, then it's not gonna spin, right? If your packing tape is just spinning freely, then that's a different story. But you know, you'd like it to be spinning at least freely, depending on how much force you want to use. So how to use the dispenser is actually really easy. All that you got to do is take it, and I'll show you an example on my hand. You want to press it up against wherever you want to apply the tape. So press it against it, and then rotate your wrist to slide it down across wherever you want to tape. And when you're done, you just need to rotate your wrist a bit further so that the tape actually comes into contact with the cutting blade and it cuts it off. So I'm going to show you on the counter. Let me flip out my camera screen, and I will just go like this so you can get a better view of what's going on over here. So essentially, let me make sure you can see exactly what I'm doing. There we go. So essentially, you're going to press it against whatever you want to tape. So I'm going to press it down. The tape will make contact, okay? And I'm dragging it across whatever I want to tape. You can see the tape is being applied there, and whenever I want to cut the tape, I then rotate my wrist and just make the tape come into contact with the cutting blade like that, as you can see. So I just rotated my wrist like that, and that brought the tape to where the cutting blade is, and then now the tape is basically exactly right on that line there where the cutting blade is, because that's where I just cut it. And as you can see, we've applied the tape nicely to the countertop. I'm going to remove it because I don't want to leave tape on my countertop. This is a basement kitchen countertop, so I'm not so concerned about it, but still, you know, I don't want to leave tape here. There's no point. Once again, I'll demonstrate one more time. You press down so the tape starts to tape, okay? Continue. If you're going around a corner, you want to rotate your whole arm like that, and when you're ready to cut it, you just rotate your wrist like that, okay? You just give your wrist a little rotate like that. And what that does when you go like this is that brings the tape into contact with the cutting blade and it cuts it off. And that is how to use a packing tape dispenser. I did a separate video on loading it up with tape, with packing tape. So keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna release the loading video before or after this, but whether it just came out or whether it will be coming out soon, keep your eyes peeled for that as well, because that's how to load the packing tape into the packing tape dispenser. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.